guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya and today I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be really yummy. Also today's video is going to be really different from my other videos. I am so excited for this video. So आज का वीडियो होने वाला है I am going to try out international snacks. Now अगर आपने मेरी पिछली वीडियो नहीं देखी है which is international beverages, जहाँ पे मैंने सारे international drinks ट्राई किए थे, तो गो एंड चेक इट आउट. बहुत मज़ा आया था एंड इट्स अमेजिंग. सो आई लीव द लिंक अपसाइड एंड ऑल्सो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू चेक इट आउट. So today I thought why not do a international snack video. So let's start. मेरे पास अलग अलग कंट्रीज़ के स्नैक्स है, सो विल ट्राई इट आउट. उसमें भी अलग अलग फ्लेवर्स है, वो भी ट्राई करेंगे. So let's get started without any further ado because I am really excited. So yeah, let's start with the first snack. मेरे पास पूरा बॉक्स है. पहले मेरे हाथ में आया है Pringles. Now Pringles is a favorite of so many. I know इंडिया में सारी फ्लेवर्स अवेलेबल नहीं होती है कभी कभार. Sometimes you get it if you are in a metro city, you get Pringles. बट और सिटीज़ में, मेरी सिटी में तो नहीं मिलती है. सो आई गेस इंडिया में Pringles के सारे फ्लेवर इतने ईजीली अवेलेबल नहीं है. सो for me many flavors are new. I have tasted only 1 or 2 flavors of Pringles which I get here. So yeah, first is Pringle original. Original से start करते हैं. So this is how the packaging looks like. Now this is a smaller version. You also get a bigger one, but just because we are trying it out, I got the smaller one. Look at this. Okay, by the way, some of the flavors of Pringles are available on Amazon, so I'll leave the link in the description box of some of the flavors which are available on Amazon because Amazon delivers everywhere, right? Now this Pringles, it's from US. It's from Jackson, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, the Jackson city. So yeah, so let's unbox this one. So as you can see, I'm going to open this one. It seems like chips टूट गई है because इसमें से आवाज़ आ रही है. So let's open this. I'm gonna open this. Look at the quantity, really less. So people who eat Pringles know it well. Like the taste of this is very bland, I would say. It doesn't have anything, and it's original. I understand it's like salted wafers or salted lace that we get here, but still it's very bland, and especially for the price it's really expensive. But yeah, you can eat it again, not a bad experience. And also this box is 50% recycled material and 15% is post-consumer, so it's environment friendly in a somewhat manner. So yeah, that makes sense. So that was about the Pringles original. Now let's see what we have for the next international snack. Okay, so the next snack that we have is this Oriental Super Ring. So this is how it looks like. Now this it's written here cheese with natural flavor. Now this snack is from Malaysia. Everything here is written in another language. I don't know if it's Chinese or if it's Malaysian language. I don't really know, but yeah, the manufacturing here, it's written it's from Malaysia. So this is Malaysian snack. So also I expect this will be very cheesy. So let's open and let's see. It's first time I am trying out a Malaysian snack. Smells like creamy, like it's very cheesy. It smells like Kurkure cheese puffcorns, or we'd say Cheetos. पहले जो Cheetos आते थे, cheese balls, it smells like that. So this is how it looks like. Let me show you. So this is how it looks like. Rings टूट गई है थोड़ी बहुत. Like you can have a look at this ring. Like this is how it looks like. Okay. So now is the moment of truth. Let's taste this. First of all, it's not crunchy. I don't know what the thing is, weather के हिसाब से, because it's rainy outside, rings have become soggy. And पहले the taste is cheesy, but उसके बाद बहुत weird taste है. I didn't like the aftertaste. पहले it is normal, like cheesy होता है वैसा taste, and then it's very weird taste. No, I would not prefer this. It's not so good. Again, because this is imported one, according to the quantity, price and taste, this is really very expensive. This you can easily get for 10 rupees here in India. But I understand imported and all that, but at least the rings shouldn't be soggy if they have packed it in plastic. I don't know क्यों बारिश में जैसे खाने की चीज़ें कैसे सॉगी हो जाती है घर पे. It has become like that. I don't know how, because this was about the Malaysian snack. Now let's move on to the next. Okay, now the next snack that we have is this hot and spicy flavored Jacker. This also is potato crisp. Now the packaging and everything looks similar like Pringles, but this is a different brand. This is Jackers brand. And talking about the country, 3 countries are mentioned here. One is Singapore, Malaysia and UAE. So I guess they'll be having manufacturing units in these 3 countries. That's what I guess, because Baki sub is written in another language, so I'm really not able to understand that. But yeah, this is how the packaging looks like. So yeah, let's taste it. Let's open this. Okay, this is somewhat similar to Pringles. Quantity थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा है for the same price. So at least happy with the quantity that they have. थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा है, इतनी भी ज़्यादा नहीं है. Even this is expensive for compared to India, but again it's international. Okay, so इसमें I could see some masala more than Pringles. It's not bland like looks. थोड़ा बहुत मसाला है ऊपर. Let me just taste it. This even this has a similar taste to Pringles, but this is spicy. Okay, it looks white and it looks ki spicy nahi, but this is spicy thoda bahut. So you won't feel fika with this one, because this has some spices on it. I won't say it's extra spicy, but you can eat this with that chatpata taste. So that's what I like about this. The chips, this one, are also all broken. That is the down point of ordering international things. It's all broken. So that was about Jaggers. Let's try another snack. Okay, next snack that I have is this Pringles hot and spicy. Perfect flavor in every bite. So this is the black colored Pringles. Just have a look. So I'm just going to open this one. Okay, so this has some spices in it. It looks it will be tasty, not fika. This has some taste. This has some taste, but I don't know what taste should I call it. Don't just mind, but let me tell you one thing. This tastes like paneer tikka, literally. But it's tasty compared to other flavors. Also, I don't know why, but I feel this has an Indian touch to the flavor. It tastes very Indian-y, like Punjabi sabzi aati uska taste aa raha hai isme se. I know that's weird, but that's what I think and that's what iska taste lag raha hai mujhe. So yeah, let's try another one. Okay, you guys, another flavor that I have is this Pringles sour cream and onion. So this is similar to Lay's cream and onion. That's what I assume. I have not tasted this flavor, but that's the concept. So let's unbox this. I'm loving the unboxing. Okay. Okay. Looks similar to the plain Pringles. Oh my god, the taste of this one is so weird. I felt like puking out. I know that's not good to say for food, but I don't know, this is not what I can eat. It has really weird flavor. I mean, I felt like puking after eating this. Like literally the taste is so weird. I won't recommend this for sure. Oh my god. So it took me literally 5 minutes. I drank water because the taste was so weird, literally. Honestly speaking, like nothing. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I just forgot to mention before. Next snack that we have is Jackers. Now this is the original flavor. So पहले जो flavor थी that was hot and spicy. This is the original flavor of Jackers. So the packaging and everything, it looks similar to Pringles. Look at this. Let me just open this one. This, everything is broken inside, and this looks plain white. This literally has no taste. It's similar to Pringles original. Pringles original में at least थोड़ा salt का taste था, इसमें तो वो भी नहीं है. I mean, it's like simply eating a boiled potato, not even boiled, just fried potato. So this doesn't have any taste. If you are someone who eats food without salt or anything, you might like it, but I didn't like it. At least it should have some salt or some other spices, but yeah, I didn't like this. Okay you guys, so now let's try out another flavor of Pringles. It's the Pringles salt and vinegar flavor. So let's try this. Let's unbox. So this is how it looks like. Now let's just unbox. Again, broken as usual. Now the smell is very strong, just like vinegar. Let's taste this. It's literally vinegar. If you're someone who eats you know khatta very often, you'll like this flavor. It's medium, I would say. Not so good, not so bad. Because khatta to khatta, at least taste to hai, baki mein to taste hi nahi hai. So it's good. Sometimes you'll like it khatta, and it's something you can eat. Because जितने भी फ्लेवर अभी तक खाए उसमें इतने हॉरिबल टेस्ट थे, तो ये थोड़ा ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट फ्लेवर. थोड़े 2-3 और फ्लेवर्स है मेरे पास. सो दिस इज द Pringles paprika flavor. So let's try this. So this is how it looks like. Let's unbox this. Again broken, but this has some masala. This definitely looks spicy because of course it's the paprika flavor. This is good. This is good. You can actually order this. It's the paprika flavor. It's very good. It's spicy masale wala, and you'll actually feel like you're eating chips. You can order this. I'll leave the link of this one in the description box if it's available on Amazon. This one is good. Now the next flavor that I have is this one. It's the Pringle cheddar cheese flavor. So this is how it looks like. And now let's unbox this. Okay. इसमें थोड़ी कम टूटी हुई है चिप्स. This again has no taste. चीज का तो थोड़ा सा टेस्ट आ रहा है, बाकी कोई टेस्ट ही नहीं. I don't know why इसमें ऐसा है कि अगर चीज फ्लेवर है तो चीज के अलावा कुछ होगा ही नहीं. थोड़ा मसाला वसाला डाल देते यार तो थोड़ा टेस्ट आता. I would rate this 3.5 out of 10, or chalo I'll rate it 4 because it's eatable actually. थोड़ा सा सॉल्ट का टेस्ट आ रहा है, चीज का इतना फ्लेवर नहीं आ रहा. So yeah, medium. I won't recommend so much. Okay, so now the last Pringles that we have is the Pringles Texas barbecue sauce flavor. So this is the purple Pringles, Pringles barbecue. So this is how it looks like. I have high hopes from this, so let's see. Let's unbox. खोलते हैं इसको. Yeah, this is how it looks like. No, horrible taste. This is totally barbecued. The flavor is so burnt, like the actual barbecue flavor. I know that's what it's supposed to, but I don't like the taste. I don't know why. It's very weird. Like, you can't actually have this kind of chips. If you're someone who eats a lot of barbecued food and you love it, you might like this flavor. I didn't like this. No. So that brings us to the end of the video. My final verdict is, I'll tell you, wait. Okay, so my final verdict is, इन सब झमेले में पड़ने से, पैसे ज़्यादा खर्चने से better go to nearby store, bring kurkure, bring Balaji, bring Lay's, whatsoever, eat it. You will get the same quantity for 10 rupees instead of 100, 150, 80, 250 rupees, and the taste will be far better. I know there will be people who love Pringles, but this is not the usual taste that I like. Yeah, in exception you might like the taste which I don't like, but overall this is my opinion that I'm sharing, that I didn't enjoy. Yeah, there were 1 or 2 flavors. One is the paprika flavor, that was good. You can definitely go and have that. Next is hot and spicy, that was actually good. You can have it. So these are the flavors which are actually consumable, and you can have this. Rest I didn't like. So yeah, there was, I would suggest go have Lay's, go have Kurkure, Balaji, whatsoever is near you. Eat that. You'll get the same quantity, better taste, and also you won't waste a lot of money. So yeah, that was about it. Pringle lovers, don't get offended. It's about the taste after all, so I didn't like it. So that was all about today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. और अगर आप सोच रहे हो Pringles लेने का, so you might have got the idea about कैसा है. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.